Hey, this is Keith at Half Tracks and Honeybees. Well, this is just a little quick video, just letting everybody know that the flowers came early, the nectar came early, and robin season came early. I opened a few hives today to just do some simple inspections, and the bees just went crazy. Look at this mess. Bees everywhere, trying to rob their buddies. They're not paying a whole lot of attention to me. They're too busy trying to eat. No terrible fighting or anything going on. It's just everybody's just riled up. I put that little small entrance reducer on to calm them down a little bit, or to give the guard bees a better chance. But dang, come on ladies, get back in your boxes and go after some flowers. Leave your buddies alone. Oh well, I guess that's it for this yard today. Not any fighting or anything going on. Just craziness. Dang it. I wanted to go through all the hives today. Oh well. Maybe tomorrow. It's funny though, just across the driveway, everything's fairly calm. A little bit of stuff going on back here. It's funny, it's like the bees are out on the porch. They can smell somebody having a cookout. Really, ladies, y'all go back home. Leave this box alone. You ain't gonna get in. Oh well. I guess it'll wait till tomorrow. Y'all take care. Be careful out there. Robin season's here in the south. Part of the south anyway.